Anyone who knows or has worked personally with me knows that I absolutely love Loom. I think I've recorded about 2,000 Loom videos now. And basically, I find them super useful because you can just record your screen, send a link to someone, and they can view it. You can get a notification when they view it. You can see how much as a percentage they've watched of the video. They can comment on it, they can react. All of this is really cool. But you can also embed Loom videos onto a page on Squarespace. And well, you can embed it anywhere, but I talk about Squarespace, so we'll keep it to Squarespace. Basically, you can embed the video, and it looks great because when you embed it, it shows the sort of like a 2 or 3 second clip, and it's just more engaging than a standard video block. And what I do on my Six Figure Design Club landing page is I have a few different Loom videos embedded. So I'll have like a curriculum walkthrough, then an example of a lesson, and I can see, okay, this has like 250 views. I can see a lot of people who've viewed it, which is good for data, I guess. You can see what the average percentage viewed is. And it just, again, as I say, it looks more engaging to the user than a standard video. So if you want to use this on your Squarespace website, I'll show you how to do it now. Just to show you an example of the difference between a standard video and a Loom embed, you can see here, this is my website, Six Figure Design Club. This is a Vimeo embed, which is fine. But then we have this here, which is, I think, a little bit more enticing. You can see we've got the video playing in the background, we've got the hover effect, title, the length, the amount of views, and we can actually open it up in a new tab as well. And if we wanted, we could share the link. And then you can see as we go down, we've got, I think we've got 2 more. So one here, same again, and then there's another one here, same again. So I personally really like to use these. Now, all we need to do is head on over to Loom, and then we just need to find the video that we want to embed. So this was a mini audit that I'd done for a member of Six Figure Design Club for like a website that he was doing, and I just sent him the link. Obviously, I'm not going to embed this anywhere, but let's pretend for the sake of this video that you want to embed this. All we need to do is click up here. So click share video, and then we're going to toggle embed. We're going to keep responsive size ticked, otherwise we're going to have this weird thing where on mobile, if you have like a fixed size, the video is going to drop off the side and it looks stupid. So responsive size, and then you can share at a certain point if you wish, but I'm just usually just going to start it from 0. And then all we're going to do is copy embed code, head on over to our site, and then we'll embed it there. So I'm back on the Six Figure Design Club site. All we need to do is go into the page that we want to embed it, add a section. We'll add a blank one here. We're going to add a block, and then all we need to do is embed, double click on our embed, code snippet, embed data, and then just paste that in like that. And you can see it's nice and responsive. If we make it bigger, the video goes bigger. So let's just make that span the whole width of the page like so. Hit save, exit, and then you can see the videos there. And because this is a live site, I'm going to just delete that quickly. The things that I do for YouTube videos, So let me just delete this, and then, okay, there we go, save. So hopefully that was a nice and easy tutorial. If you found it useful, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all of the Squarespace resources in the description below.